In Lak'ech, we are the Star Teachers, and we welcome you to this final day of exercises to help attune you to a higher vibration, a higher frequency, and prepare you for the wonderful collaborative event that we will be hosting this Friday through Sunday, September 20th through 22nd, called the Woodstock of ET Contact Worldwide Mass Meditation and Contact Event, where we will address and work with all of the world in co-creating a higher level frequency for this planet and her inhabitants, so that you can live the type of life that we live in. We know that you've already accomplished this, for we are you, having evolved to this frequency. We're now reaching down through the layers to help you remember who you are, what you are, unlimited, infinite beings of unbelievable, ever-evolving capabilities. And so, this final day of exercise, we would remind you that if you are driving a car at this moment, or operating machinery, or engaged in something that will require your attention, to please leave this video until you have a moment where you can get quiet, still, and not be disturbed. And if you're ready, we'll begin. And so please get comfortable and allow yourself to take a deep breath in, remembering that the breath is the bridge between your physical vessel, your physical world, and your consciousness, the cosmos. As you exhale, feel yourself relaxing, enjoying this moment together. And as you inhale, breathe in peace through your entire being. And as you exhale, release all that is not peace. And as you breathe in now, breathe in the vision of a new world, of happiness, of joy, of equality, of abundance, of harmony, of love. And as you exhale, release all that is not love. And once again, as you breathe in, allow yourself to breathe in, truly experience unconditional love, filling up every space, every atom, every molecule, every particle of your being, and all that holds it together. And then as you exhale, breathe that out into the universe and give it back, so that all may experience this feeling. Breathe in love and breathe out love. And then in your imagination, we ask you to envision the night sky. It is a clear night, and you see all of the celestial bodies in the sky, the stars, the planets, the moons, the galaxies. See it as clearly as you possibly can. Notice how expansive this feels to just relax and look at the universe from your vantage point in non-local reality. And then you might have your attention drawn to just one part of this, one star, one planet, one moon, one galaxy. Don't force the issue, just allow it to become apparent which one you are looking at, and focus on that with a relaxed state of unconditional love. That's right. Begin to connect with this heavenly body. And feel your heart open and feel waves of love flowing to it and from it into you. Ask it for any information it can give you about itself, and let it come in any way that you can receive: colors, textures, sounds, lights, fragrance, taste, feelings. Merge fully with this heavenly body. Ask it for any information it can give you about itself as you pour forth, without any forethought or analysis, information about yourself. Enjoy this interaction silently for a few moments. Feel the vibration of this beautiful heavenly body coming into yours. And feel this deep merging of not just this one particular part of creation, but of all creation. Feel your oneness with the all that is. As you begin to zoom out again and see the universe, now begin to feel that you are connected to all of it, and it is connected to you in this sacred union of light, energy, and love. Allow yourself to be attuned to this frequency. And then ask, what can I do for you? And then wait for a few moments. Receive the information without judgment or forethought. And then, because this is an equal exchange, silently through your heart, let the universe know what you need from the depths of your heart. Let it know now and send it out without any condition, just a general statement. And begin to receive that which you have requested without resistance, with full acceptance, knowing you are worthy. And then thank it, all of it, and allow it to recede back into the place where the image came from. As you begin to come back into the conscious awareness of your physical reality, and your current life focus, rejuvenated, restored, filled with enormous sense of love, joy, peace, happiness, abundance, and harmony. Remember to practice this as much as you possibly can. And then join us this weekend as we begin to co-create together, along with many other civilizations, your new world, your new you. Again, the details of this event will be attached to this video. Please invite and share with everyone you love and know, so that it can truly be a worldwide event. Remember, you've already accomplished it. We are just here to help realign you with it, to pull it into this reality. For we are the star teachers, and we are another you. Thank you, and in Lak'ech.